What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shimthebarber, Beans by Shim. We back up in here with another video. We finna go crazy in this cut today, y'all. I did a mid fade on my bro Sal. He had his hair all slicked back and everything. I gave him a little design right here, kind of like a little swoop with a Z in it. You feel me? So this cut really did go crazy, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Tune in, like, comment, subscribe on this and subscribe to my channel, y'all. And we finna get lit in this video, y'all. Just tune in, learn what you can, and stay tuned. What is good, YouTube? We back. Beans by Shim in here. Right now, I'm setting that first guideline between the middle of the C cup. Right here, I'm just dropping it down. You don't want to go too high because it's the mid fade right here, so you want to keep it kind of low.
She can slide into, I'm just saying, just let me love you.
Alright, so you set the same thing in the other side. Here's a better angle though. You can catch where I put that first guideline in at.
Cause she can slide into, I'm just saying, just let me love.
Alright, y'all, now I'm removing all that hair from that first guideline. I'm getting it pretty bald. I'm finna come back with my heroes.
Cause I prayed for her every day. We gon' make these ends, baby girl. I'm gon' find a way. And if I'm not with you, then you know I feel out of place. If you come with me, then we finna make some plays, yeah. If you come with me, then we finna make some plays, yeah. If you come with me, then we finna make some plays, yeah. If you come with me, yeah. If you come with me, yeah. Girl, shit, come slide on me or I can slide on you. I'ma do the race real fast just to come through. Everybody hate, but when you broke, girl, that's what.
Yes, sir. There's them wall heroes. I'm getting them completely bald, and I'm gonna come back with my balders later, though.
In the past, I want something to hit me up, and without a doubt, girl, I'm picking up. Show me something, and I do the dash, yeah, I'm showing up. Niggas try to hit you, but they miss, but I got some aim when it's time to love.
Hey, y'all, I know you looking at bro's beard. It's alright, though. We finna get him right. But right now, I'm going through my lever open, and I'm taking it all the way around his head.
Yeah, I got you. None of these hoes even in a way to top you. Tell me who gon' stop you. Nah, nah, ain't no one gon' stop you. Yeah, where you stay? Cause I can slide on you. Who your friend? Cause she can slide into. I'm just saying, just let me love you. Yeah, let me love you. Yeah, let me love you. Yeah.
Hey, y'all see that? Bow! There it is. It's that 1 1/2 guard. I'm taking it up, removing that bulk so I can see.
Let me love you, yeah, let me love you, yeah, let me love you, yeah, yeah. I've been up the strength, smoking pack, I can't even thank. Shorty gon' be mine, cause I prayed for her every day. We gon' make these.
Hey, y'all, so notice how when I go with this 1 1/2, I flick out at the top because you don't want to touch any of that top long hair. Otherwise, the cut will come out all bad.
Some pleasure. If you come with me, then we finna make some play.
Hey, y'all, so right now, I'm taking out that line between my lever open and that 1 1/2. And then I'm going to come back later with just my one all the way closed, and I'm going to flick out that line. You guys see later in the video, blend's coming through, though. Hey, y'all notice how I'm flicking out only with the corners with using this one with the lever open. Here it is, y'all, that one. Now you can see I close up the lever and I'm flicking out. Alright, y'all, now I'm about to come back with that 0 guard. Now I'm finna flick out with that same line that I created between that 1 1/2 and that lever open. I'm just going down guard to every half guard. I'm going down. Started with the 1 1/2, then I went with the 1 with the lever all the way open. Then I came back under that with the number 1, and now I'm with the 0 guard. I'm just playing with that lever, going up, down, flicking out.
Custom, they were from D-Wing and that cost you 3 a beat.
That shit expensive.
I really lit this shit, I'm up next. I know that shit hot. This beat, you're honest. I know that they listening to it on AP. I know that it's glistening. Fuck on your hoe. I know she not missing.
Look, so notice how I'm taking my 0 guard and I'm taking it straight up to the line. Now I'm flicking right out at that line between the 1 and the lever open.
She wanna get in sheets.
You just chop this up.
Alright, y'all, right here, I'm using that 1 1/2 again. I'm just going around his head, clearing up a little bit more bulk.
She stuck with me.
Alright, right here, I'm just going back, looking for any details I need to clear up. I'm doing my detail work. This right here, y'all, is my favorite part of the haircut. Just getting rid of that last bottom line. You just see the fade come together.
Rolling his head, something ain't right in me. I got that vibe in me, no one's a part of me, only my family. You think you onto me, you think you owning me. Also, what the fuck you left me for? You just went overboard. Girl, I got time for you, you ain't got time for me. I'm being serious, leave me alone. Fuck anybody, think I am a joke. When I'm touching no money, don't hit on my phone. I'm just trying to let y'all know what I'm on. I told my brother, don't stress about shit. No matter what, we gon' keep it a zip. I don't gotta put luck, cause you know where I live. This shit gon' happen, bitch, there's no way there. This shit gon' happen one way or another. I'm live in the gutter, I'm live in the shuttle. About to take cut cause I'm sick of the struggle. I really learned to put no one to buy you. Fuck it, I'm honest, I got some bad habits that tied up my body so I can embrace it. Don't do me dirty and think that I'm changing. Bitch, fuck all the talking, I know.
Alright, y'all, so look, something I like to do when I'm fading out that last line is I always go up with the lever halfway first and flick out. And it basically blends in from there, and then you can see a little thin line. And you just blend that out with your lever closed and just flick out at that line, and that bottom line is gonna be solid. Yo, I just wet my client's hair down, and now I'm taking it back with the comb and do some shear work, cut down the top a little bit. I don't cut too much off of his hair because he don't like it like that. He likes it kind of long, but then at the same time it's thin.
I am not a hoe, you know what I'm on. I don't fuck with you.
Alright, y'all, right now I'm doing some clipper over comb work. Just taking the comb straight up. I'm taking my clipper and taking off that hair. What you want to do is take that comb, and you don't want to take most of the hair off at the bottom. And as you go up, you take less hair off.
I am not a hoe, let me demonstrate it. Shit, niggas thinking I won't do shit. Bitches thinking I don't stupid. Till I come in with a full clip. I'm a nigga who would do shit. I don't see nobody get it. Young nigga, I wanna mission. RP low, so I'm missing. Nobody got me like Bruno. Nobody really know nothing. I gotta go and do something. I don't see no competition. I pray they gotta be wishing. I remember being locked up. I remember being tied up. Smoking some blunts and I pass out. Young nigga just wanna cash out. Been at the
You too. Now I'm lining up bro's hair. You feel me? I just put the clips in, and I'm lining them up now.
talk about I need some money like real soon. RP low, so I miss you. I'm trying to get it at Maymoos. I was selling up in high school. Just to come up in the bottle. Nobody.
Hey, y'all, check out this look. Look, you see that look? When your barber gives you that look, that means he's getting you right. Don't even trip.
Bang, girl, yeah. I am not a hoe, you know what I'm on. I don't fuck with you, bitch, you know them know. I dropped out of school just to get a check.
Yeah, hey, I know y'all vibing with this too, though.
I ain't got no game, I just hit this thing.
I'm keeping that line up natural, crispy. I'm taking down the sides, keeping that natural look, keeping it real natural. Hey y'all, so when you do that C cup right there, you want to make that as crispy but as natural as possible. So you don't want to make that any type of round. You just want to keep it sharp, but don't take off at too much hair. You want to take off as little as possible. Alright y'all, time to get that beard right. I'm taking it down with that 1 1/2. Now I'm just flicking out the top, fading it in with the lever closed. Same steps I used as fading.
In Manhattan, yeah. What do you mean? My pocket's fat. You niggas is broke. You niggas is jokes. Grabbing the X-ray off of the boat. Talking to folks about all the low. Nigga, you bitch. That's what you told. Carry this bread, but this is a loaf. Bitch not sucking this. She gotta go. Living that life, cause that's what I chose. Yeah. I get the pad, the plug from Pakistan. I got a foreign bitch, shorty with Mexican. If she a baddie, I get her a taxi then. If she left far, I make a pound on my pen. Me and the gang stay close like running man. If you scared, pick up a piece, they bring you a buddy then. I got some goons off rip, brain free fit. Betty come bump me then. I'll smoke a thrax.
Alright y'all, so right here, you see I'm just following this natural beard pattern. I'm just going straight down, keeping it natural, but I'm making that stuff sharp.
Hop on the beat, you know I go ham. Freaky white bitch, still play with the nose. When I'm done, put dick in your toes. Shooting niggas cause I ain't cold. Shoot the gun and tell them to post. Trap flow cause my trap go.
Alright, I'm lining up his mustache just a little bit, just knocking off those hairs that hang right over the lip.
Light duty, if it really want smoke. Not Facebook, but I really post. She like me cause she wanna choke. I like her cause she...
Alright y'all, that's that elegance. You see, you want to take that, you want to put it around his cheeks or the lining, anywhere you're about to use your razor at. Alright, right here, I'm taking my razor, I'm pulling back his skin, and I'm just taking down all those little tiny hairs that are there. I'm using that elegance so my razor just glides straight across his skin.
It do not plan on jamming. Got new 4-5. This bitch is ready to hand it. I'm #1 ranked. That's cause my fan did. Yeah.
Ooh, boy, I know y'all see the beard. I told you I was gonna get his beard right. That razor, it makes everything way sharper. You just gotta keep pulling back that skin and just taking off those little hairs, going straight to where that line is.
Jeans, you know what I rock. We slide like a drop, so we taking the top. This nigga back to the bitches.
Alright, y'all, just throwing some product, some gel. Lay his hair down. I'm about to blow that, put that blow dryer to his head. Make his hair lay back. He got that slick look. Feel me?
True religion, G's, you know what I rock. We slide like a drop, so we taking this top. This nigga back cause the bitch is a bot. Took her to the crib, she just give me top. I'm finna spam, bitch, I'm finna pop. Got me a bitch, so I don't need no thought. Keep me that gas, cause I give me.
Alright y'all, just like I said, I'm coming back with them balders. I'm getting everything super clean. Right here, I'm just putting in that design. Make sure I hit the design both ways with the clipper, upside down, and then I'm gonna hit it right side up. Hey y'all, so when you want to hit it both ways for sure, because it gives you that rich barber look. You want that design looking a little thick, not too thin. It's not like that no more.
Crumb now, kid with the teeth, you go get a bust down, throwing the pass, my gon' bitch, that's a talk at the pot. True religion, G's, you know what I rock.
Alright, YouTube, that's how my man came in, and look, this is how he is leaving, a new man. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Beans by Shim, I'm out of here. Catch y'all in the next video.
Got the mop, true religion, G's, you know what I rock. We slide like a drop, so we taking this top. This nigga mad cause the bitch is a bot. Took her to the crib.
Keep your mouth closed, hold the tongue. Cause you bitch niggas don't want none. You don't want none. Throw your turf up, bust your gun. Show these bitch niggas they don't want none. They don't want none. Ride or die, nigga, hide or run. I guarantee you that you don't want none. You don't want none.